Select some layers in Affinity Photo. I'm going to select those. You can see them selected there. Then go to File and down to Export. And I'm just going to use PNG. And then I'm going to go down to Area and Selection Only. So only those designs will be saved. And Export. And give it a name. I'm going to go with C1. So Save. Now if I go to File and down to Open. Now I'm just going to select that file, so that's C1 there, and you can see what happens. You've lost the size of the document. Well, quick workaround about there. Just go over here to the rectangle tool, select that, and then quickly draw a rectangle. Now I'm just going to quickly draw it, probably not particularly perfectly, to fill the whole entire design. Of course, you could always refine that. Now I'm going to put it just down the bottom. You don't have to. Perfectly reasonable just to have it there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it to 0% opacity. That's the key thing, 0% opacity. So you can see it now there. Now I'm going to do exactly the same as before. Go to the Move tool, select those ones, and also hold down the Command or Control and select the rectangle, that transparent rectangle. Now go to File and not Save, but go to Export. Quite often I end up selecting the Save by accident. I want Export with the PNG and go for, again, Selection Only. So that and those will be selected. And then what I can do, just quickly say Export again. And this time I'm going to call it C2. Save. And now if I go to File and Open, again select that file, click Open. And you can see what happens. It's generated the file, obviously hasn't saved that bit, and you've got the size of the document saved. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.